If you're tired of struggling with finicky plants but still want a bountiful harvest, then zucchini is your new best friend. Zucchini isn't just a summer favorite, it's a gardener's best-kept secret. Why? Because it's incredibly easy to grow and gives you a bounty of delicious squashes all season long. First off, zucchini is perfect for both newbies and seasoned pros. These plants are prolific producers, meaning you'll have plenty of squash to share, store, and savor. Plus, the mild flavor of zucchini makes it a superstar in the kitchen. Think sautés, pastas, baked goods, and even zoodles. But wait, there's more. In our upcoming series, we're diving deep into everything you need to know to grow zucchini like a pro. We'll cover planting tips, dealing with pests, the best harvesting practices, and smart storage solutions. Whether you're a garden guru or just getting your hands dirty for the first time, zucchini is a rewarding crop that'll keep you smiling. So, if you're looking for an easy, productive crop that's versatile in the kitchen, zucchini is your go-to. Stick around for our next videos, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay in the loop with all our green thumb tips for a bountiful zucchini harvest. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!